Hi, this is my autobiography. My name is Carlos Daniel Rocha Hernandez. I was born in 11 May in 1998 in the city of Toluca in Mexico. When I was 6 years old, I met my first friends. In my childhood, I was a very reserved child. I didn't like to talk with other kids. Even if they need me to play, I always say no. But when I started to go to the school, I met my first friends. Their names were Jonathan and Salvador. They were very funny guys and very interesting. We will play always in the recess. They have the same hobbies and the same favorite sport, football soccer. We lived incredible adventures and we were together for 6 years until we graduated. And it was when I was in high school. I began to study in high school. Its name was Colegio Albatros. I was very nervous because it was difficult to me to make new friends. It was a different school that I had been with a few classmates. It was a pretty good experience, stayed there for 3 years. I met friends that until today we're still talking. I started to practice soccer in the high school and I was not a very good player, but I could be in the school selection. In high school, I met my first love. Her name was Anna. She's a beautiful girl and it's very important in my life because we had many good times. With her, I had my first date. I had my first kiss and she was my first girlfriend. We were together for 3 years and later we broke up. Then I entered the Tech Millennium where I met people who were very nice and others who were not. One of the funniest moments was when we sang for our music class. We sang Bailando from Enrique Iglesias. After we went to sing several people the congratulations for us doing well. That the same day I met Selene, a girl who's beautiful but could never be her boyfriend because she lived very in Tech Millennium. I met Julieta. She became my best friend. We stayed 2 years together, going through incredible moments, from studying together to going to a soccer stadium. After 3 years, we graduated, and I have to decide what to study. Then I chose international trade because it seemed a very interesting career. I decided to stay in Tech Millennium to study at the university, and to this day I do not regret. In Tech Millennium, I could obtain the certificate in mental maps and also one of leadership, well as summer recognition for attention at the class. 6 months ago, I won the Tech Millennium Soccer Championship together with my best friend. It was a very special moment since it's a sport that I love it. I have never been able to win anything in this sport. I'm also taking certificates that help me to learn more about my career. This certificate can help me in the future. At this moment, I'm very happy. I finished the 5th semester of the career. I'm working and I'm enjoying my life to the fullest.